Hey happy souls, today's video is about replacing the handle grips of Splendor bike and I am Tamizh Iyanthiran. To know about the price details and the tools used details, you can see the description below. The right one cost Rs 50 and the left one cost Rs 35. After unpacking, keep the handle grips aside. In order to remove the handle grips, twist it and pull it outwards. If you feel harder, take a spanner or a screw or a cutting blade and hit around the corners. Or you can use a knife or a sharp blade to remove the handle grips. After removing, take the new part and install it. To install, just press and push towards the bike. If you feel harder, you could pour some oil or a grease around the corners. You can use a mallet or a hammer, but not to damage the rubber parts. To remove the right side handle grips, you have to remove the accelerator assembly upper part. To do so, remove the two screws and remove the upper part of the accelerator cable. You can see a notch which seats in the hole provided in the handlebar so that it catches firmly the whole assembly. To remove the accelerator cable from the handle grips, you have to check for the play and position it and remove the stud sticker which sticks around the corner. Make sure everything is in position. If not, seat it in position. After taking the accelerator cable, take the stud and put it in right position. Check for the play and position it properly. To lock, you have to position the stud, position the notch with the hole and check for the play. After checking, put the two screws and tighten it. Finally, once again check the play of the accelerator. If the vehicle rises while turning the handlebar, there may be a mistake in the accelerator cable or the lower part of the assembly, as I said before, which is damaged and it was unavailable at the time of COVID. Thank you.